Hey everyone, Sean with MarineMax Jupiter here, and we're on this new Cruisers Yachts 42 GLS. Now, on the back of the 42 GLS, you're gonna see twin 600 V12s by Mercury. Really pushes this boat perfectly. Perfect power match for this boat. Jumps out of the hole, cruises nicely with you and your family. Now, obviously these engines, they don't live in the water. You pop this back up here and then trim the engines all the way out. And also, this boat has a 12-11 beam. Now, once you deploy these beach doors that you're gonna be using when you're at the sandbar with the family, kids jumping off from the side, this extends your beam with another 7 to 8 foot. That's really awesome because you never have enough room around on the boat. So that's a really great add-on, and the fact that it's on both sides of the boat, really nice touch by Cruisers. Another feature I really love with this is the aft facing lounger. So mom, dad, when you guys are out at the sandbar, deploy the sunshade, kids are swimming around the water, and you can relax comfortably here and have a really wide view of what's going on. Nice armrest right here. Something that Cruisers does really well is their simplicity throughout the boat. Simple but elegant. So right here we have our switches for the beach doors. We got the port, starboard, engine room lights, and then we have the hardtop sunshade that you can control right here, or you can deploy it or retract it at the helm as well. Really nice feature. Another feature that Cruisers does well is they have your shower head right here, that when you step outside the boat, I can step right here on the beach platform and nobody inside the boat is gonna get wet. So that's really nice with Cruisers. Continuing into the boat, we have our radio control right here, so it doesn't matter if you're back here, you don't have to walk all the way up to the helm, control the radio, you can do it right here. This boat is also equipped with the reverse engine flush system, so you just connect the hose, click the button, it's gonna flush both of your engines for you automatically and then stop as well. Nice sink, storage with your trash can down there. We have a nice grill, and then very important with this Florida heat, we have AC vents coming out right here to keep you cool. Really nice fridge to load up on those sandbar days. Heading on over to our starboard side, we have nice U-shaped seating in the cockpit area and with storage underneath all your seats right there. Really nice touch with Cruisers Yachts. Heading up to the helm, you're gonna notice that you have easy access to your ice maker as well. So now we're at the helm of the 42 GLS. Now here at the helm, you're gonna notice you have your standard joystick. Great joystick by Mercury, whether it's you're using it for the skyhook, heading hold, really great system. Easy access to your trim tab controls, so you're not overreaching anywhere. Cell phone charger back here, and very, subtle things that Cruisers does really well is like this compass right here. Instead of being all the way up top, I love that it's right here at the helm, close to the steering wheel, so you can accurately see where you're gonna be going and your degree. Nice switching right here with Cruisers, your stereo control, VHF. Moving on to the port side, we have two bar stools aft facing, so while mom or dad is grilling up on the barbecue, you can sit right here, chat, have a drink, and whoever's grilling won't be alone. There's company right there, and that's what it's all about. Those family days, those sandbar days, that's what I love. Also, electrically actuated windows, both port side and starboard side. So now we're down in the cabin of the 42 GLS. As you can see, we have a forward berth configuration as well as an aft. Now, when you're not using the forward berth, this converts into a regular table as well, so you can enjoy a meal right there. As you can see, we have a door right here to go into the stand-up head with its own shower. It is a wet head. Really nice touch with Cruisers Yachts with the finishing on this. And then aft, we have a nice berth down there that has a TV as well. Over on the port side of the 42 GLS cabin, you can see we have a nice microwave, another fridge, plenty of refrigeration on this boat, so you can definitely leave the cooler at home, and you have a nice TV down here. So down in the cabin, you have two TVs, one up top here, one down below. Now this TV, as you can see, we have some wiring right here. What that's for, that is for grabbing this TV and you can put it up top as well. So you can interchange this TV down here or up there. Now let's head up top. Really nice big windshield on the 42 GLS here. You have your bow walk-through door right here. And the use of space with Cruisers Yachts, you know, you have all these storage, nothing goes wasted. Lines, you know, whatever it is that you want to store right here. And then we have another nice U-shaped seating area up here at the bow, radio control, and then you do have a filler cushion down here to make it into nice sunbed. So right here we have our anchor controls, which you can control up here or at the helm as well. This is Sean with MarineMax Jupiter. We're on the 42 GLS. Come check it out.